In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Outlook account without phone or email. 5 minutes. If you're locked out of your Outlook, Hotmail, or Microsoft account and don't have access to the phone number or recovery email on file, this method uses Microsoft's official recovery form to verify you another way. Open a browser and go to account.live.com/ACSR. This is the account recovery page from Microsoft. If you're signed into any Microsoft account in that browser, sign out first so the form shows up correctly. Using a trusted device and network you've used before can sometimes help, but it's not required. On the form you'll see a field labelled email, phone, or Skype name. Type the exact address or username of the account you're trying to recover. Double check spelling and symbols so Microsoft knows which account you're requesting. This is the locked account, not a contact address. Next, in the field that asks for a different email address, enter an email you can access right now. It must be different from the one you're trying to recover because Microsoft will use it to reach you during this process. You'll receive a one-time code there, and later updates on your request. Make sure you have that inbox open in a separate tab so you can grab the code quickly. You'll now be asked to enter the characters you see on the screen. This is a standard security check to confirm you're a real person. If the characters are hard to read, use the refresh or audio option until you get one you can solve. Take your time and type them exactly as shown. Click next to continue. Microsoft will immediately send a verification code to the alternate email you provided. Go to that inbox, look for the message from Microsoft, and copy the code. If you don't see it within a minute, refresh your inbox and check your junk or spam folder. Codes are time limited, so use it promptly and don't close the recovery page while you're checking. Return to the form, paste or type the verification code and click verify. If the code is correct, you've confirmed you can be contacted at that alternate address. From here, Microsoft will guide you through the rest of the recovery and follow up at the email you provided with the result and next steps, such as resetting your password. A few quick tips as you proceed. Be consistent with the information you provide, avoid submitting multiple requests in a short time, and if you don't succeed on the first try, wait before attempting again. Once you regain access, add updated security info so you're covered next time.